Every great journey begins with a decision to care, a decision to serve, a decision to make a difference in someone's life. Here, learning goes beyond textbooks. Our students are guided by experienced faculty, gaining the scientific knowledge and critical thinking skills needed to become confident healthcare professionals. Every lesson builds the foundation for a future in saving lives. At our Advanced Skills Laboratories, students gain hands-on experience in a safe and supportive environment. Nursing is more than a profession. This is a commitment to humanity. With the right education, the right training, and the right guidance, our students are prepared to become the healthcare heroes of tomorrow.